welcome to Hubbards Journey. We are in A Coruña. A Coruña?
A Coruña.
Oh, A Coruña. I'll tell you, my dyslexia gets the best of me. But we're on location right now. We're in a park, and we figured this would be a great time to tell you what we're doing today. We are gonna go. We came in on the Sky Princess, right?
We did, yes.
And
Sky Princess.
Got off the ship, and where are we gonna take everybody?
Well, we walked around the promenade. We're gonna walk around the promenade first. We're gonna head all the way up to Hercules Tower, which is still considered a working lighthouse to this day.
Oldest in the world.
Exactly.
It was originally a Roman tower.
Yes, and the interesting thing is we're not going to be able to go to the top of it because you have to climb the stairs, you have to have a ticket, and we did not get our ticket in advance. So we're short on time today, so we're not going to be able to do that, but we did get to see it. It's beautiful. Let's take some nice photos there, and then we made our way over to the Plaza of Maria Pita,
which is where City Hall is, and it's an amazing building. It really is. It's fabulous. So why don't we just take you there and show you what we did? You good with that?
Sounds good. Let's go.
Let's go. Here's some of the buildings with all the glass. This one's got colored glass, stained glass, but it's pretty cool when you look at them all. We'll scan all the way across. Very cool. Real nice port. And like I said, we're gonna walk the whole thing. A lot of walking today. We gotta get our steps in, gotta get our exercise in. What a nice place to park. The ship's right there, and just walk right through that cruise building, and you're right out here. Very nice. Excited about being here. The one thing I do notice about Spain, it is very clean. And they're always out cleaning. Very, very clean. Look how clear that water is. That is unbelievably clear. So people actually go swimming here. This is the boardwalk we've been walking on, and then you can come over here and you can go swimming right off of that platform. Keep that in mind. If you come here and you want to go swimming in the city, you can do it. Look at this boardwalk. I love it. I really can't get over how clear the water is. Do you see the fish? I don't know if you could see the fish in there, but we could see them. Sometimes the video doesn't capture it. Right there's one right there. And they're just kind of moseying along. Oh, there's one right over there. Big one. There's one over there. Yeah. But you can see that big one right there. I don't know if you can get that. No, there's two. I can't get over how clear the water is. It's beautiful. All right, let's go. What's the name of this castle?
St. Anton Castle.
Oh, St. Anton Castle. I can't get over the water. I really can't. Look at this. It's unbelievable. Gorgeous. And it's deep. We're going to see Hercules. Well, not really Hercules. Hercules' tower. Gotta go check that out. It's iconic. It is a lighthouse, the oldest lighthouse in use, dating all the way back to the Romans. And this is the oldest in the world that is currently in use. So it's pretty special. We're gonna go check it out. And it is in operation still. So this is kind of iconic for the area. It's the maritime control tower, controlling all the maritime coming into the port. But we're still heading to see Hercules Tower. Let's go. Little thing. Little trash truck. It's actually pretty cool. He just drives up and down the boulevard here and picks up trash. Checks it out. I don't know if you can see it past all those lamp posts, but we're coming up on it. I'm pretty excited to go check it out. On the way there, I see this little public beach. Very nice. And there's a swim club right there. There's a swimming club and a public beach. The walk has been pretty easy walk. We're starting to hit an incline here, going uphill a little bit as we approach the Lighthouse Tower. Yeah, went up a little bit of a hill. We're going up more hill here. So coming up, there's some more hill that we're gonna have to go up, which is fine. It's good for our walk. Well, let's go check it out. Let's see how much it is. They have these cool statues and stuff. Let's see, tickets, €3. €3 to go up, but it's sold out till noontime, which is right now. We could buy tickets if we wanted to.
Yeah. Oh, it's 6.
Oh, this one's a little bit of a steep hill.
Stop boondoggle.
It's a little bit of a hike going up the hill, but it's going to be a worthwhile hike for sure. The surface is not completely smooth. These rocks, some stick up, so you got to pay attention. You don't want to trip and fall. Look at the segways. You can see how they're bouncing. Yeah, we're going to have to pull a towel out, wipe the face down once we get up there. I'll tell you that much. Whew, look at the view. I want to see if we can find some of our wine that we like. It's a busy supermarket. I love the wine prices. Look at the wine prices. They're awesome. I'm looking for my particular brand that I like, that my friend had told me about. And every time I'm in Spain, I buy it. He's a wine distributor and maker. His name's Bill. And I don't see the wine that I like. Let me look a little closer. Look at those prices. Digging those prices? I don't see it. Let's walk around the market a little bit. Give you a little flavor. Oh, it might be over here. There it is right there. That's it right there. The Alibali Reserva 2019. But I think you gotta have a coupon, I think. I love that wine. Good wine. Oh, let's get out of here. That's where we're heading, to the Plaza. Went to the market, got 2 models of wine. Total cost was $5. I love Spanish wine. I love the price of Spanish wine. Spanish and Portuguese wines are amazing. I like the port when we go to port wines when we go to Portugal. They're amazing as well. So we're gonna head over to that square. This is the back side of City Hall, so we'll try to get in front of it. We're gonna go into the square and then we'll take a look at the front side. That's pretty cool, huh? This is City Hall. We're on the back side of City Hall. We're gonna get over into the front of it, but It's a gorgeous building. Let's go look at the town center here. The Plaza. Check this city hall out. Pretty impressive building, huh? Oh, there's our ship. Right through there. Funny how that worked out, huh? These cities are so old and they just have so much culture. I love it. I really do love it. These old cities are amazing.